Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, I've been in a bit of pain. I've got arthritis, you see, but it's not that, it's my jaw.
Oh, have you had this problem before?
Yes, it flares up when I get anxious and, I'm a bit stressed at the moment. I usually take some paracetamol, but I don't want to take too much because, I'm already taking arthritis medication.
Well, paracetamol is usually well tolerated and can be used with your anti-inflammatories. But you're right. Taking that is not getting to the root of the problem. Have you seen a dentist or a doctor about this?
Yes, I've had a bite splint at one time, but, well, it never really helped.
Well, I'd recommend seeing someone about it again because this can become a chronic problem.
Okay, you're probably right. Thanks so much.